The disk tab in here shows all about how the storage device is being used. Active time graph shows percentage of time the disk is busy handling read and write requests. A spike to 100% means the drive is fully occupied. And disk transfer rate graphs displays how much data is being read from or written to the disk in megabytes per second. The spikes here indicate heavy file activity like downloads, updates, or transfers. An average resource time graph shows how quickly the disk responds to requests in milliseconds. Higher values mean a slower performance, often seen with hard disk devices under load. And read speed shows how fast data is being read from the disk, and write speed shows how fast data is being written to the disk. And capacity shows the total storage size of the drive, and formatted shows the usable space after formatting. And system disk here indicates if the drive is hosting Windows. And page file usage shows if RAM overflow is being handled by disk paging. These are considered healthy. Active time fluctuates with workload, rarely pinned at 100%. Transfer rates spike during file operations but settle afterwards. And response times stay low, especially on SSDs. Here are the unhealthy signs. If active time stuck at 100% even when idle, transfer rates low despite high active time, that shows the drive struggling, and response times consistently high, which shows a disk bottleneck, and frequent unexplained spikes like background tasks, malware, or failing, that shows there is some problem with your disk. Active time shows how busy the disk is. 100% active time shows bottleneck. Prolonged high usage with low response may indicate failing hard disk drive or SSD even.